Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Harper. Happy birthday to you. There's trick ones. Oh!
There we go. And everybody gets a ring. A pink. Oh, how about a ring? How about there you go. It's a ring.
I want a 4. I want the 4 one.
Here, what color ring do you want, Katie?
Blue.
And Cameron, what color ring do you want? Pink? All right. All right, we're gonna cut the cake. So what color ring?